The difference between sore, pain, hurt, and ache. When we're talking about having a pain, we can say it in several ways. We can describe the pain in several ways. So I want to briefly explain how we can describe our pain using these 4 words, okay? Sore. I have a sore head. In this case, sore is an adjective. You're describing the pain. I have a sore head. My knee is sore. I have a sore knee, okay? I have a pain in my head. In this case, it's a noun. I have a pain in my head. I have a pain in my knee, okay? My head hurts, the verb to hurt, or I hurt my head. You can also say, okay, I hurt my head when I fell, and now my head hurts. Can you see the difference? And you can also say, I have a headache. We can put ache at the end of a word for 5 or 6 cases. For example, headache, stomach ache, toothache, backache, heartache, which is like the psychological pain, the emotional pain when you have been hurt by somebody or something. And I think 1 or 2 more that I can't remember. But you can't add ache to the end of everything, okay? And you can also use ache as a verb. For example, my head aches. My foot aches. The difference between ache and pain is that pain is more general and ache can be more longer term and maybe not so severe, not so strong, okay? My head aches, I just need to take a tablet and it will go away. Or my head hurts can mean the same thing. Or I have a pain in my head. All of them can mean the same thing. But ache can maybe signify that the pain is not so strong or that it's lasting longer. Okay? And then in terms of work, we use the verb sick. I am on sick leave means that I'm not in work because I'm sick. I called in sick because I didn't feel well. This is action of calling your company or your workplace to say that you're not going to be there because you're sick. And to take a sick day is to not go to work because you're sick. Okay, hope that was helpful. If you like that, please subscribe to our channel and download your free ebook at the bottom of the video. You can see a link. And the ebook will help you to make a plan to improve your English. I hope it's useful.